Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another feature showcase. Today, we will be talking about automated notifications for merchant portal account creation. Um, the merchant portal was presented recently. As you know, it's a feature that will allow restaurants to do a lot more on their own. So you as an RDS owner don't have to, bother as much changing their hours, pausing their orders, editing their menu and and similar. So this is going to be shown from a point of a brand new partner that you signed up with, and I will go through the whole thing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a restaurant. So what this means is we're going to name this test restaurant. And imagine this is a new partner. We will need to make it hidden just while we are getting their restaurant profile ready. We will make it active. And then what we will do is we will go back to the admin panel and make a restaurant profile. So in this case, we will do this. We'll make it a restaurant. We do have to assign this profile to a restaurant. So what we have to do is assign it to the test restaurant. And this is where the magic happens, basically. A couple of things to note. This complete tab and this tab have to be saved separately. So just please keep that in mind, so not to mess anything up and to run into issues. This complete tab is its own entity, and this one is as well. So a couple of things to note here. You see that you can fill out all the information like you would before, but there are these two fields that are by default turned on. So it will say send user text notification and send user email notification. So you can either inform the restaurant owner by email or by a text message that they have access to merchant portal now. Now the way this works is you can send just the email, or you can send just the text message, or you can send both. Now in order for this to work, the email is going to take this email address, and as you can see, it has to have the password field, right? So it cannot be empty, and at least one restaurant has to be attached to this restaurant user. Now you will need to have a first and a last name for both of these instances, for either email or SMS, in order for this to work. So we will put this as test restaurant. So that is taken care of. Now I will show you guys how the email side of things works. And if you want to preview, this is how it will look. So the first name will be right here, which will take this field. And then it will say, thank you for your partnership. There are many perks when working with RDS name. So this will be your company's name. And the merchant portal is just one of them. Inside your portal, will have access to manage prep times, pause orders, manage finances and reporting, edit menus, and build your own online ordering website. Now, the merchant portal login credentials will give them the actual website, and this is just a placeholder. So this will give your correct rds.com/merchant access, and then it will give them a username and a password. So this means we have to fill this field out. So we're just going to put it as testing 1. And if you can scroll down, you see that they can also download the app here, and they can see a video on how to build their own website. So this is just a placeholder that will show you how this email will look like. Now, if you want to send the text message as well, just make sure you fill out these fields in order for this function to work. In this case, I will turn it off because I have no way on desktop to show you how this will look. So we will send a user email notification, and we will hit save. Now what this does, it will automatically reactivate the send user text notification because it was never sent, right? So if you want to do that, you can. But if you can see under the user email notification, if for any reason the email doesn't go through, the restaurant owner deletes the email, they forget what it is, right? All you have to do is put in a new password or put the same password in. So in this case, we would just type in testing1 again and click resend user email notification, and when we hit save, we will just receive another email that will have all this information here. So you don't have to scroll through notes or look through an Excel sheet. You can just send them this information automatically. So if we go to the email and we scroll here, you will see that there's 352 delivery, and this will take the name of your portal as the sender. And if you click here, we can see that the 352delivery.com says test, which in this case is our first name. So this might say Bob or Linda or whoever it is. And then it will say, thank you for our partnership. There are many perks when working with 352 Delivery LLC, and the merchant portal is just one of them. Inside our portal, you will have access to manage prep times, pause orders, manage finances and reporting, edit menus, build your own online ordering website, and your credentials. So as you can see, there is a correct link to that specific merchant access. So let's try it out. So all we have to do is open it in a new tab, and we will say DL test restaurant, and we'll say testing1, right? Because that is the password we got sent, and all we have to do is sign in, and as you can see, there it is. They have the merchant portal access. It is super seamless. It happens right away. And if you ever need to resend that email, if the restaurant owner loses the login information, all you have to do is input a new password or another password in, and the email can be resent right away. We hope you like this feature, and we look forward to you using it. Let us know if you have any other suggestions, and have a great day.